Don't ever change for anybody. Don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing at all. Try not to get too involved, but really it's breaking my heart how you keep changing for him. Never forget who you are. You butterfly, you're a butterfly. Butterfly, wings spread, just let it fly. Butterfly, butterfly. What is life without brightness? Be a lie. You were never quiet, never.
Me like that. Okay, me, I'm drinking. Imagine I've not even introduced this vlog. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to this channel. If you're new, my name is Maya Kimani. Thank you for clicking into this video. So as you can see, I have another visitor. This channel is more of visitors. Hataki kuonekana juu hajaoga. Maybe tell people something. Where are we at?
We're in Limuru. We're going for a hike.
Imagine
and
we are
then
going.
We go to liquor library for drinks.
Me, I'm not drinking apparently. When was the last time
We were here 12 years ago. That is funny.
12 years ago. 12. I'm actually surprised. 12 years ago. So, as I was saying, I'm at my primary school. I came to this school at what year? Nilikuja huku nikiwa class 2. Imagine. Na nikamaliza class 8. It was such a nice school. Like unaweza ona hata the weather, nyasi is green literally. Alafu apparently naona classes zetu kwa za class 6, 7. Unakumbuka Shabon Fest? Akituchapa je tumeambiwa alikuwa wa English. Anyway, welcome to this vlog. I'm just going to show you how the school was perfect. And if you want to bring your children here, I will give you the location, everything on the description box. So it's such a nice school. I will show you even the classes, the swings, the baby classes, and all that. The dining hall, the dorms I've already shown you for the girls, for the men are on this side. So just stay tuned for this interesting video like always. So this was our dorm. You remember the story I used to give you time nakojoa like dorm yetu ilikuwa an L or something. So this was the entrance here. And then you enter, you go like this. This was my dorm over here. Ya watu wenye wanakojoa apparently. Yeah, so hii ndio nyumba ya mwenye shule. And etc. This was a tree house. We used to go and chill there. Yeah, during the weekends for Buddhas. This was our music class. It's still, I think, a house. You see, it starts from here all the way like this till here. Around here, you can see we are stones over here. So this was our music room class. It was so interesting with a teacher called Teacher Alex. This was our dining hall. Gosh.
You, 'cause I only want you, yeah.
Took some food here so we could remember how good it used to taste at the time. So these are the baby classes, and there are more actually. This was our parade area, and behind here there were animals like pigs, cows. Yeah. Hey guys, so this was my very first class, class 2. This is where I started my education in this school. This is the boys' toilet. Hey. This was the girls' toilet. So this was our favorite part here. Class break time. You used to do like this. This was our favorite spot. What? Okay. Ningevunjika sana ningesema. Imagine sasa hatuwezi. Na tulikuwa tunaanzia huko juu. This was the men's dorm. So my cowboy was sleeping here. Like I remember literally. Alipanga na lalafa. So hizo zote ni dorms. Kuna kakitanda hapa ni venye tu siwezi ingia. So all the way up to here, and then hapa ni washroom na choo, yeah. And then hapa mwisho kulikuwa canteen. I think you can see a shop here. Now that was our favorite place to be at. So tukikuja huku kote ndio tulikuwa sasa tunachungulia madoms za maboy, tunaona venye wanoga and all that, wenye wanakojoa and blah blah blah. So these are the sinks za babies. Sadly, I lost all the footages that I took for the classes that you haven't seen me showing you. So because we were in a hurry to go for a walk, we just decided I will just link the school on the description box as you watch the pictures that I took there. Just wait and see and get to know where we went for the walk. Wacha nikwambie, nilikuwa nasikia ikisema nikienda gari ya West nasikia ikisema Kayole, na nikienda Kayole kwa gari za Kayole nasikia ikisema Kahawa West. Like nasikia vice versa. Right. So we are going for a walk. Say hi guys. This one is Esther and this one is Kasher. Soni. Mbona unakataa jina yako sasa? Esther is official. Na tunakula ati biscuit tukienda ati ku walk. Unless I'm walking with you, can say Esther.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made them a son.
We can either go this way, upande juu, then tutarudi hivi tena ama tuanzie huko.
Una to explain ni kama tuna understand. So this place, to be honest, has no name. It's just a place that's around Tigoni. You can just go and visit. I don't know how I can give you a direction. Just enjoy.